Assalamualaikum everyone, I am Rafi with a new video. Today I am gonna show you how you can pass the strong integrity in your custom ROM. I am now in ColorOS 15 custom ROM on my Redmi Note 11. Here you can see it's a portrait ROM. So now I show you the integrity, and if you can see my integrity is on just basic integrity. Yep. Now you need some files. I'll be sharing it on my description. The link will be in Drive, Google Drive or Mega. And now I show you the folders. Okay, so now you need to open your Magiscape and then go to settings and enable Digest. See, and go to your home page. And now something you need to do is open Play Store and click on your profile, then go to settings and network preferences, sorry network preferences and auto update. Don't auto update apps. After that, go back and then open your Magiscape, go to modules and then install from storage, and you have to locate the folder where you have put it. I have in my SD card, and then it's the folder. Now you have to install it one by one. Just click on it and it will install it. After installation, go back and then install from storage. You have to do it for everything, like one by one. Just do and go back. You have to restart your phone after all the files have been successfully installed on your phone. Just do whatever I do. And the Google folder unlimited storage, that's bonus mode. If you want to install it, if you can, but if you don't think you don't need it, just skip that part. See, and the work is almost done. Now I have to restart my phone, so let's see after restart. And before restart, I want to show you the integrity one last time. And you can see, this is just basic integrity. And now bye. Okay, so I'm here after my phone's restart. Then go to modules and go to Tiki Store and click action, that yeah click store and then click on action. The KSU web page will automatically install. Just wait for a bit and then it will open automatically. Grant the permission. Then click on the three dots on the top left, top right corner. Click on it, deselect unnecessary, and then click on set secure patch. Click on advanced, click on get secure patch date, click on save. Again click on the right top three dot, then click on keybox, then valid. Yep, it will automatically just do it, and then click save and exit the app, and then again open it. After opening it, go to play integrity fix inject. Here you will get these options. You have to enable it all them. After enabling them, just click on fetch. You will get this option. Just go down and select a model you want to make your device to be certified. I will choose Pixel 9 Pro. If you want to use Pixel 10 Pro, you can do it. Just click on it and it will just automatically save, and then go back, go to integrity box. Now go down and you will get this module section. And now from now on, just do whatever I click on. So follow my steps. Everything is done. So now just clean all the apps from your background. No need to restart your phone. uh, Watch the play integrity API, and you can see the strong integrity has been bypassed, and now you can run your phone on any custom ROM using this process. But remember to turn off Play Store's auto update, so you will not get any Google Play update in future, and this method will work for you as long as you want to use your custom ROM on your phone. So I love this.